Hi, this is Nissim. This is a tip for ComfyUI from the series of tips. Today we are going to see about coloring the nodes. Usually we have all the nodes in this color, gray or white, depends your theme color. But usually I want to give different color for different sets of nodes. Let's say all the positive prompts and the negative prompts, it's a little hard to know which one which. So usually the thing that I do with it, I will right-click on the node that I selected, go to color and do green for the positive, and click on the negative one and give it red. Now I know exactly which prompt which is and how each one is influence on the flow here, because here it's going to positive and here for negative. So it's much easier for me to understand it. In addition, I can select multiple nodes, right-click, go to color, and let's say all those I give it blue. Why? Because I have here another set that is going to be with a different color, and I want to give it the color of pale. Okay, this is the pale blue, and now I can see very clearly which set is which. So it's very easy for me to work with it. Okay, that was a quick tip. Subscribe, like, and have a great day. Bye.